I keep saying that we all use the phrase, Mera Bharat Mahan, or we say Jai Hind, Bharat Mata Ki Jai. We say these words very often. Convert them from words into action. If we could only live Mera Bharat Mahan, if we could only live Jai Hind, if we could only live Bharat Mata Ki Jai, we would be in a much greater India. I think Akshay Patra is one of those organizations that's been living it. I've seen them very closely for many, many years now. Just to give you an understanding of how difficult it is what they do. About 9, 10 years ago, we started a smaller operation in Vrindavan, running schools. I think some of you know about them. Rescuing girls from child prostitution, rescuing girls from forced labor camps, rescuing girls from physical abuse. And we started one school, then we started another school, then we started a third school. Today we have 3 schools and almost 2,000 kids studying there. But what's most important is that every time we asked people कि भाई आपकी बेटी को स्कूल भेजिए, हम पैसे नहीं लेंगे, they still wouldn't say yes. जब हमने कहा कि आपकी बेटी को हमारे स्कूल भेजिए, हम उसको खिलाएंगे, पिलाएंगे, उसकी देखरेख करेंगे, उसकी दवाइयों का खर्चा हम करेंगे, उसके कपड़ों का खर्चा, उसकी किताबों का खर्चा सब हम करेंगे, अब तो भेजिए. And basically the primary driver was, आप बेटी को ले जाइए, लेकिन जो हमारा लल्ला है, जो बेटा है, वो भी साथ में आएगा खाना खाने. And it was almost like negotiating a deal with people from a village, because the schooling was so far behind, especially schooling for the girl child was so far behind in their list of priorities that it was almost impossible to convince them. Today, 14 villages where no girl ever went to school, say 10 years ago, 14 villages don't have a single girl that doesn't come to school. I think that has been an achievement through continuous perseverance and dedication. In our own little organization, I think when we're talking about 5 billion meals, we're talking about what, 500 crore meals, right? Am I right? In our own organization, it's taken us 10 years to feed 2.5 crore meals, which I used to think was, we've achieved something, we've done something big. And then I look at Akshay Patra, and then I look at what they're doing on a daily basis. It's truly commendable. I went personally to see their kitchens, and I think Indian Institute of Management में एक course रखना चाहिए या एक chapter रखना चाहिए on how Akshay Patra functions. Everything from working, liaising with the government bodies, being able to bring that same amount of money that's subsidized, whether it's the subsidized wheat, the subsidized dals and vegetables that they have to buy from the markets, bringing that onto the table, raising funding for it collaboratively, then executing it extremely efficiently, with extreme efficiency. I've seen the kitchens, I've seen how sanitary they are, how hygienic they are, the quality of the food. And what people don't realize is, हम farmers की इतनी बातें करते रहते हैं. Wherever there's an Akshay Patra kitchen, they've collaborated with local people. They've collaborated with local villagers. Local villagers supply the vegetables. Local villagers supply the little things that you require. And that goes into enhancing the local economy of the place. I also know that they manage to somehow keep the food fresh and hot, despite the fact that some of their vans travel for almost 100+ kilometers as a hub and spoke model. So I think it's a great exercise in itself. I mean, you look at it more from a social or spiritual context, it's beautiful. But when you look at it from purely a management context, I think it's an exceptional example of, bang to buck. You invest this much, and then you see that little investment, that little contribution actually converting into so much more. I've seen personally I've seen over the last 8-9 years over our project, which is called Devi in Vrindavan. I've seen what it was like when girls came in malnourished, where their hair was brown. They were like a dhancha of bones, like a skeleton. Can you hear me? Can you hear me at the back there? So I've seen what girls are like when they come in completely malnourished, and I've seen what just 3 to 6 months of food that nourishes them. जो कुपोषण से आती हैं बच्चियां, जब उनको ठीक ठाक खाना मिलता है, the transformation is unbelievable. So I want to thank Akshay Patra, and I also want to pledge here today. I don't want to come here and just, give words. I want to pledge here today, any kind of support, financial support, support as a celebrity, support as a karyakarta, working with you people, would be my honor and my privilege. Jai Hind.
हेलो, जो फूड मतलब आप डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते हैं तो वो सही कितना होता है या किस तरीके से आप उसकी स्क्रूटिनाइज करते हैं, उसको देखते हैं कि सब जगह सही तरीके से फूड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो रहा है और उसकी क्वालिटी सही है?
हमारे यहाँ अक्षय पात्र में फुल फ्लेज क्वालिटी डिपार्टमेंट है. हमारा जो हेड ऑफ क्वालिटी है वो 6 सिग्मा मास्टर ब्लैक बेल्ट है, क्वालिफिकेशन. और हर किचन में 2 क्वालिटी ऑफिसर्स हैं और सारे मेजर किचन्स में फूड लैब्स है और क्वालिटी लैब्स है जहाँ चेक होता है खाना. जो गवर्नमेंट रेकमेंडेड गाइडलाइंस है उसको हर रोज़ चेक करते हैं हम लोग और हर रोज़ बच्चों से फीडबैक आता है. जैसे डेली फीडबैक मैकेनिज्म एंड वी कीप करेक्टिंग. So children say that we like this meal, so we try to incorporate that. So all our kitchens meet nutritional norms which are prescribed by the government, and anybody is free to walk into our kitchen and check those data.
अच्छा, एक चीज़ मैं क्वालिटी की बात आपने करी है तो मैं बता देता हूँ. हम लोग पिछले महीने गूगल में, मतलब दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी कंपनी है, दुनिया की अल्फ़ाबेट लार्जेस्ट कंपनी, वहाँ पर खाने पे बहुत महत्व दिया जाता है कि खाना बहुत अच्छा होता है, सब कुछ होता है. सो वी वर इनवाइटेड, वी वेंट देयर, दैट वाज पार्ट ऑफ अक्षय पात्रा फंड रेजिंग टूर दैट आई वाज डूइंग देयर. तो वहाँ पे हम गए, किचन में हमें इनवाइट किया उन्होंने. तो मैं वहाँ पे उनके शेफ से उनके क्वालिटी के बारे में पूछ रहा था कि किस तरह से मॉनिटर करते हैं, क्या करते हैं, क्या नहीं करते हैं. सो यू विल बी हैप्पी टू नो कि अक्षय पात्रा के क्वालिटी पैरामीटर्स, जिस तरह से जो चीजें होती हैं, जितने मैंने टेस्ट किए, वो सारे गूगल की किचन से ज्यादा थे. सो वी आर टॉकिंग दोज काइंड ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड्स. इंडिया की बात छोड़ दें.
एक चीज़ मैं और भी पूछना चाहती हूँ कि महाराष्ट्र में कौन कौन से जगह पे आपके सबसे ज़्यादा स्कूल्स में दिए जाते हैं, वो थोड़ा महाराष्ट्र के.
महाराष्ट्र में अभी फ़िलहाल नागपुर में किचन शुरू किया है. 5000 बच्चे को हर रोज़ खाना मिलता है. और थाना में करीबन अगले 1 महीने में नया किचन शुरू होगा 5000 बच्चों के लिए. और काफ़ी सपोर्ट मिल रहा है हमें गवर्नमेंट से और किचन्स खोलने का. We are a public-private partnership. So 10 rupees is my cost of meal for last year. 60% of that comes from the government, union government and the state government in the form of grain subsidy and cash subsidy. And 40% is what we raise. So if you're feeding million children every day, we need about 50 lakh rupees every day to feed these children. You see, what happens is we are a very service-oriented, low-profile organization. You would have heard that many of the celebrities, they said, we haven't heard of Akshay Patra. Now, what happens is, if, let's say India has got 500 million adults, if 1 in 100 decides to feed a child, we can triple our reach in just few months' time. Okay? Now, for this, awareness is required. And in Akshay Patra, 93% of what the donor gives goes to the program, to the child directly. Now, so we don't have much money to spend on advertisements. All these things, what you're saying, are all coming from support from Viacom, Facebook, Google, all the celebrities here. So awareness is extremely important. So that's how we reached out to celebrities like Shankar, Vivek, Sanjeev, Sonali ji, okay, and all the corporates. Because we alone cannot cater to India. Who are we alone? Unless all of us join hands, we can't solve this problem. And this is the biggest problem the country faces. If you ask me, which is, GDP is not our big problem. Biggest problem of India is hunger. Okay?
I think what's incredible about Akshay Patra, and I like to repeat what he says, that when I work with a lot of global organizations, and I've seen that their administrative expenses go from between 25% all the way to 60%. So on every rupee that you donate, sometimes even 60 paise goes towards administrative expenses. Just to give this perspective, 93%, that is 93 paise of every rupee going physically to the cause, is a 1 in a million achievement. There must be 1 in every million NGOs non-governmental organizations who are able to achieve this efficiency. This scale of efficiency on such a large model is very, very difficult. So the idea is to come out there. In fact, I've been talking to Sridhar even before this event, saying that, whatever I can do to come on board, create more awareness, use digital media, social media. And ever since last 15 years, I've been doing, associating myself with different social causes and seeing phenomenal results, impact. And one of the phenomenal results that I've seen is that there are millions of people, youth, from not just India, but across the globe, who get inspired and they reach out to me saying that I heard you speaking at this forum, or I heard your interview, or I watched you on television. I want to associate. I want to be a part of it. Guide me how. And it's just a step of linking. So it started with fundraising to educate girls. And this is a much smaller financial commitment. It's only 5 rupees. That cost is a lot more. And yet we have a situation where sometimes we have less number of children and more people interested in donating and educating them. Young people who say, okay, it just cost me this much. It cost me 80 rupees, 70 rupees, which is what I spend on a cup of coffee in a cafe. Let me go out there and give her 3 meals, food, education, healthcare, everything as a package. So like that, I think a lot of people will come forward for Akshaya Patra. And once we raise the awareness, I'm sure people will respond.
Well, first I heard of it as an event happening. I said, what is this event? I don't do too many of them. Then, of course, all the details came to me. And I was traveling, a lot of things happening. You know, you're so caught up in your own life. And quite frankly, it was literally towards the end of last few days that I actually got involved, because I had a lot of other things going on. Sat with my team. I said, what is it? No, what is this event that you're talking about? What is this? And then I came to know what they're talking about. I said, my God, this is amazing. When you read through it, what they're doing, it's very obvious. A lot of people come to you with a lot of causes. It's kind of fashionable to there are a lot of causes that keep coming and everybody's associated with 100 other things. But I do try as much as I can that, do whatever you can to find out and actually like what you're doing and then get associated with it. And this is what it was. What you read and what you saw told you that, my God, this is not just some event. This is an amazing cause. In my life, I've always said it's the small things that matter. And this is what this was. When you associate with causes also, it's not about the bigger picture. There are a lot of people here. I will never be able to do the bigger picture, and probably I will not achieve and ever be able to solve all the problems that are there. But what do? Do I, for that reason, don't lift a finger? Doesn't happen. We all have to do what we have to do in our own way. It doesn't have to be big. It needs to be small, and it needs to be regular, and that's all it takes. Also, what I really realize is all of us human beings are very happy and willing to help. Most of the time, we are not aware. Most of the time, we think, ye pata nahi kidhar jane wala hai. Actually, use hoga bhi ya nahi. We are a little cynical about it. So if I can come out and tell you that, guys, I can be cynical also, but here I believe, and I've seen and I like what I see, and I would like to pledge my support. Please, you should also pledge your support. Because I'm not asking for something big, a huge chunk of time, a huge amount of money. It's about something small. But the fact is that little small, coming from everybody, can turn into a huge movement and can solve a big crisis. And that's what is the reality of all our lives. It's the small things that matter. And here, it is a small contribution that matters. And that's why here I'm requesting. I pledge my support. I hope you do yours too.
सोनाली, सबसे पहले तो इस इनिशिएटिव के बारे में बताइए कि कैसे जुड़े आप, क्या कोलैबोरेशन था आपका सबसे पहले?
जैसे मैंने पहले बात की, मैं बहुत रिसेंटली मुझे इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के बारे में पता चला है, लेकिन जो काम कर रहे हैं ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन अक्षय पात्रा फाउंडेशन, इट्स अमेजिंग. बहुत सेल्फलेस काम है, बहुत एफिशिएंटली काम किया जाता है, एंड इट्स अ वंडरफुल पब्लिक प्राइवेट पार्टनरशिप. और ऐसे इनिशिएटिव्स और होने चाहिए. इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का जो एम है कि न्यूट्रिशियस फूड एंड गुड एजुकेशन, ताकि द पॉइंट क्या है कि अगर बच्चों को अच्छा खाना मिले, न्यूट्रिशियस खाना मिले, तभी वो सीख पाएंगे। एंड आई जेन्युइनली बिलीव दैट जब तक हम हमारा प्राइमरी एजुकेशन स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं करेंगे तो कितने भी IIT से निकले, कितने भी अमेजिंग डिस्कवरीज हो, लेकिन हमारा जो बेस है वो प्राइमरी एजुकेशन में ही है। और प्राइमरी एजुकेशन की तरफ ध्यान देना बहुत ज़रूरी है। और प्राइमरी एजुकेशन सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए न्यूट्रिशियस फूड बहुत ज़रूरी है। एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई प्लेज माई सपोर्ट टू दिस। Feed the future now is the hashtag. Please guys, just online जाइए www.feedthefuturenow.org. feedthefuturenow.org. Just go on it. 5 रुपए का कंट्रीब्यूशन कर सकते हैं या उससे ज़्यादा का कर सकते हैं, लेकिन 5 रुपए कहीं भी नहीं जाते हैं। छोटे छोटे कंट्रीब्यूशंस कीजिए, ज़्यादा कंट्रीब्यूशंस कीजिए। बहुत अच्छे काम के लिए आप हमारी अगली जनरेशन को फीड कर रहे हैं और जो बहुत ज़रूरी है। थैंक यू सो मच।
सेलिब्रिटीज एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट हो सकते हैं क्योंकि सिर्फ इनिशिएटिव को कोई सपोर्ट नहीं करेगा।
वेल एक्चुअली ये मैं नहीं जानती थी, लेकिन जब अक्षय पात्रा फाउंडेशन गॉट इन टच विद मी और जब उन्होंने कहा कि जब सेलिब्रिटीज़ बात करते हैं तो लोग सुनते हैं, ये मैं नहीं जानती थी उतना। लेकिन अगर ये बात है और अगर मेरे बोलने से अगर 10 लोग भी ये बात सुन लें और कंट्रीब्यूट करें तो आई थिंक आई वुड हैव अचीव्ड माई गोल एंड इट विल बी वंडरफुल।
बॉलीवुड से और किसी को मतलब अप्रोच करने वाले हैं इस इनिशिएटिव को?
आई हैव नो आइडिया कि अगर वो किसी और को अप्रोच करने वाले हैं, यानी आई होप दे अप्रोच करें और आई होप इस कॉज को फार एंड वाइड कवरेज मिले। बिकॉज कई बार जैसे मैं इनके बारे में नहीं जानती थी, ये 17 साल से काम कर रहे हैं और इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, मैं ये नहीं जानती थी। तो कई बार सिर्फ जानना ज़रूरी होता है कि कहीं पे अच्छा काम हो रहा है। और मैं जानती हूँ कि लोगों को जब मालूम पड़ता है कि कहीं पे जेन्युइनली ज़रूरत है या अच्छा काम हो रहा है तो हमेशा ही लोग बिल्कुल उत्साह से निकल के आके कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं। आई थिंक ह्यूमन काइंड इज़ लाइक दैट। लेकिन कई बार लोगों को मालूम ही नहीं होता है कि ये हो रहा है, यहाँ पे ज़रूरत है। सो आई थिंक ये कहीं पे हम सिर्फ इतना बता रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे ज़रूरत है और अगर आप कंट्रीब्यूट करो तो यहाँ पे अच्छे काम में अच्छी तरह से आपके पैसे ठीक से इस्तेमाल होंगे। दैट्स वाई www.feedthefuturenow.org.
Okay, thank you so much.